How to make sentences using the word book as a noun from class 1 to 5. For class 1, I have a red book. Here, the main verb is have. Who have I? So I is subject. What have book? A red book. What have a red book? Actually, a red book is a noun phrase. This is the head word of noun phrase is book. Then modifier of this book is red. This is the article. Red is an adjective. So a red book is a noun phrase which is using here as object of the verb have. So here book is a noun. I have a red book. The book is on the table. This book is the subject of the verb is. That is why this book is used here as subject. For class 2, I like to read a storybook. This book is the object of the word read. That is why object is always noun. So this book is noun. My teacher gave me a new book. Class 3. This book has many colorful pictures. I borrowed a book from the library. Class 4. The book on the shelf belongs to my friend. I finished reading a book about animals. Class 5. The author of this book is very famous. I enjoyed reading a book about space exploration.